Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create API key in OpenAI. And here's how it's done. First, go to platform openai.com. If you already have a ChatGPT account, simply click Login in the top right corner. If not, click Sign up to create an OpenAI account, which can also be used for ChatGPT. Since I already have an account, I will log in using my credentials. Once logged in, click on the API keys section at the top. You will need to verify your identity using your phone number. So click Start Verification and enter your phone number. After verification, you can create a new OpenAI API key by clicking Create New Secret Key. You can name the key and click Create Secret Key. The key will be shown here, and you can copy it to your clipboard. Keep in mind that you Keep in mind that once you click Done, you won't be able to access the key again, so make sure to copy it. If needed, you can delete the key and create a new one, but you won't be able to retrieve the key once it is gone. To use the API key, you will need credits on your account. To add credits, go to Settings, then Billing, and click Add to Credit Balance to ensure your account is funded. And that's everything you need to know about how to create API key in OpenAI. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.